Hey, awesome admins. Are you ready to be an innovator and win some prizes? In this 6-part series, we're going to talk all things design. You'll learn how to leverage the principles of relationship design to build account pages that give your users a 360-degree view of their customers.
That's right, Rebecca. And we're going to take you through step by step so you can follow along with us and build an awesome experience. For this adventure, we have special guests who are design experts here at Salesforce to help teach you exactly what you need to take your relationship design skills to the next level. In each episode, we'll be working with our design experts to share important relationship design principles, how you can apply them to your business, and an assignment for you to complete.
Visit sforce.co/beaninnovator to learn more and see how you can win those prizes. And don't forget to share your progress on social media using the hashtag #BeAnInnovator.